Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Frantonia Hollins. I'm a mindset and business growth strategist and the founder of The Highly Profitable Coach. I work with world-class women who are coaches, consultants, and transformational leaders. I help them conquer their fears about wealth, maximize their money, and diversify their income streams. I want to share with you just a bit today about my recent experience in Bianca Robinson's Launch in a Box program. Prior to working with the Launch in a Box program, I had about 20 years experience as a coach who consistently had full books. Unfortunately, with only so many hours in a day, I found myself capping my income, and we all know that's not a good thing. With Bianca's Launch in a Box program, I was given a step-by-step framework that I could easily share the workload with my virtual team. This allowed me to seamlessly create digital products so that I could reach and serve more people. This freed up my time so that I could be available to serve more of my ideal client. If you are a coach, consultant, or service provider who's trying to figure out how to make more money without working more hours, I highly recommend Bianca Robinson's Launch in a Box program. Trust me, you won't regret enrolling. Don't forget to tell her Dr. Frantonia sent you. Have an awesome day, y'all. Bye-bye.